Am I the only one that didn't know toxic fats are lurking in our kitchens, posing a silent threat to our health? We often hear about the dangers of sugar and processed foods, but these fats are not as widely discussed, yet they pose a significant risk to our health. These harmful substances infiltrate our bodies through seemingly harmless foods, often hidden in the ingredients list of our favorite snacks and meals. Quietly wreaking havoc on our health and well-being, toxic fats can lead to chronic fatigue, mood swings, and even more severe health issues over time. They accumulate over time, leading to a cascade of negative effects that can impact everything from our energy levels to our cognitive function. This slow buildup can go unnoticed until significant damage has been done. Unlike healthy fats, which are essential for our bodies, toxic fats contribute to inflammation, which is a root cause of many chronic diseases. They clog our arteries, leading to cardiovascular problems, and disrupt our hormonal balance, affecting everything from metabolism to mood. These fats act like slow poisons, gradually compromising our health and vitality. The more we consume, the greater the risk we face. It's time to expose these hidden enemies and learn how to combat their insidious effects. Awareness is the first step towards making healthier choices. The first step towards mitigating the damage caused by toxic fats is understanding what they are and how they differ from their beneficial counterparts. This knowledge empowers us to make better dietary decisions. Only then can we make informed choices about the foods we consume and take proactive steps to protect our health. By choosing healthier fats, we can improve our overall well-being. Let's delve deeper into the world of fats and uncover the truth about these dietary saboteurs. Together, we can learn to identify and avoid toxic fats, paving the way for a healthier future. In this video, we'll explore the hidden dangers of toxic fats, how they affect our bodies, and the steps you can take to flush them out with a simple morning drink. Stay tuned to learn more about making healthier choices for a better life. Toxic fats, also known as trans fats or partially hydrogenated oils, are created through a process called hydrogenation. This process is widely used in the food industry to enhance the texture, flavor, and shelf life of various products. However, the convenience comes at a significant cost to our health. This industrial process involves adding hydrogen atoms to liquid vegetable oils, transforming them into solid fats. The result is a more stable fat that doesn't spoil as quickly, making it ideal for processed foods. While this process increases the shelf life and stability of foods, it also creates harmful trans fat molecules. These molecules are structurally different from natural fats, making them difficult for our bodies to process. These altered fats are foreign to our bodies and are not recognized or processed efficiently. Over time, the consumption of trans fats can lead to serious health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and inflammation. They are far more detrimental to our health than sugar or smoking. Studies have shown that even small amounts of trans fats can have a significant impact on our health, making it crucial to avoid them as much as possible. Imagine trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. That's what happens when our bodies try to utilize these synthetic fats. They simply don't fit into our natural metabolic processes, leading to various health complications. Toxic fats lurk in many processed foods, baked goods, and fried items. They are often used because they are cheap and improve the texture and taste of food, making them more appealing to consumers. They hide in plain sight, masquerading as harmless ingredients on food labels. Terms like partially hydrogenated oils are red flags that indicate the presence of trans fats. Learning to identify these hidden dangers is crucial for making healthier choices. By being vigilant and reading food labels carefully, you can avoid these toxic fats and protect your health. Our brains are particularly vulnerable to the damaging effects of toxic fats. These harmful substances can cross the blood-brain barrier, interfering with the delicate balance of neurotransmitters and impairing cognitive function. One of the most noticeable effects of toxic fat buildup is brain fog, a feeling of mental sluggishness, difficulty concentrating, and forgetfulness. This can be incredibly frustrating and impact our productivity, creativity, and overall quality of life. Beyond brain fog, toxic fats can also contribute to mood swings, anxiety, and even depression. They disrupt the production and regulation of essential neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which play crucial roles in mood regulation and emotional well-being. Our bodies have a natural detoxification system, with the liver acting as the primary filtration and purification organ. This remarkable organ works tirelessly to neutralize and eliminate toxins, including harmful fats, from our bloodstream. However, when we overload our systems with an excess of toxic fats, our liver can become overwhelmed and sluggish. Imagine a filter trying to cope with a constant deluge of impurities. Eventually, it becomes clogged and less effective. Supporting our liver's detoxification processes is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. This involves reducing our intake of toxic fats, providing our bodies with the nutrients they need to function optimally, and incorporating practices that promote liver health. Start your day with a refreshing and revitalizing drink that can help flush out toxic fats and support your liver's natural detoxification processes. This simple recipe combines ingredients known for their cleansing and antioxidant properties, giving your body a healthy boost to kickstart your day. Ingredients: 1 cup warm water, half a lemon, juiced, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon raw honey, optional, pinch of cayenne pepper, optional. Instructions: 1. Combine all ingredients in a glass and stir well. 2. Drink immediately on an empty stomach, preferably 30 minutes before breakfast. This simple drink, consumed daily, can contribute to a healthier you. It's a small change with potentially significant benefits for your overall health and well-being. Incorporating this morning detox drink into your daily routine can offer a multitude of health benefits. Increased energy levels. Lemon juice provides a natural energy boost, while apple cider vinegar helps balance blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes throughout the day. Improved digestion. The combination of lemon juice and apple cider vinegar stimulates digestive juices, aiding in the breakdown of food and promoting optimal nutrient absorption. Clearer thinking. By supporting liver detoxification, this drink can help clear brain fog and enhance cognitive function, leaving you feeling sharper and more focused. These benefits, coupled with the drink's refreshing taste, make it an excellent addition to any morning routine. It's a small step towards a healthier and more vibrant you. While eliminating toxic fats is crucial, it's equally important to incorporate healthy fats into our diets. These healthy fats are essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. These beneficial fats play a vital role in numerous bodily functions, supporting brain health, hormone production, and cell growth. They also help in the absorption of essential vitamins and minerals, making them indispensable for a balanced diet. Replace harmful vegetable oils with healthier alternatives like olive oil, coconut oil, and avocado oil. These oils not only enhance the flavor of your meals, but also provide a wealth of nutrients that support heart health and reduce inflammation. These oils are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which offer a range of health benefits. They can help lower bad cholesterol levels, improve blood sugar control, and even aid in weight management. By making conscious choices about the fats we consume, we can nourish our bodies, promote overall well-being, and protect ourselves from the harmful effects of toxic fats. Including a variety of healthy fats in our diet can lead to better energy levels and improved mental clarity. In conclusion, understanding the detrimental effects of toxic fats and taking proactive steps to eliminate them from our diets is essential for optimal health and well-being. Educating ourselves about the sources of these fats and making informed choices can have a profound impact on our health. By incorporating the detoxifying morning drink, embracing healthy fats, and adopting a holistic approach to wellness, we can empower ourselves to live healthier, more vibrant lives. This journey towards wellness is not just about diet, but about making sustainable lifestyle changes that benefit our overall health. So take the first step today. Embrace these changes and watch as your body and mind transform. Together, let's embark on this path to wellness and create a healthier future for ourselves and our loved ones. Your journey to a better you starts now.